How to get AI image generator for free. Probably as you know, there is a ChatGPT 4 and you can upgrade your plan for $20 per month and you will get access to additional tools like DALL.E, and you can create images like this in just few seconds. But if you don't want to pay for this, I will show you how to get this for free. So I'm not gonna waste your time anymore, let's get started. What you need to do first is open Microsoft Edge. The next step is click on this icon in the corner and this chat will pop up. Here we can simply write the prompt: cute cat eating salmon. Hit enter and now we're gonna wait a few seconds. Your image is generating and here you can see it's powered by DALL.E. So it's basically same as ChatGPT and it's completely for free. And now you can simply download your image and that's it. If you don't see this extension here, you can simply search for Bing AI image generator, this one, and you will end up on this page, and here you can write your prompt and you can click on create. We might not see each other again, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you want to see more AI content in the future. And guys, have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye.